In this example, we also want to find the sum of the arithmetic series listed below. To find the sum, we're going to use our formula S of n equals n divided by 2, all multiplied by a1 plus a of n. So because we want to find the sum of the series, that means we will be solving for S of n. So we need to know n, a of 1, and a of n to solve for the sum. Well, we know that a1 is going to be the first term in the series, which is 3. We know that an is going to be the last term in the series, so that's going to be 99. And then n is the total number of terms in the series. But as we can see from our series, we don't know what n is. So therefore, we're going to have to use our arithmetic sequence formula to solve for n. The formula is going to be a of n equals a1 plus n minus 1 all multiplied by d, where a1 is again the first term, 3, a of n is our last term, 99, and d is our common difference, which I have to solve. To find the common difference, we want to ask ourselves, how do we get from the first term in the series to the second term? Well, to get from 3 to 7, all we have to do is add 4. To get from 7 to 11, we also have to add 4. And to get from 11 to 15, we also add 4. So therefore, our common difference of d is going to be positive 4. So now that we know a1, a of n, and d, we can solve for our unknown of n. So filling in what we know, we have 99 equals 3 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 4. To isolate for n, we're going to subtract 3 to both sides. 99 minus 3 is 96, which equals n minus 1, all multiplied by 4. Divide both sides by 4, and we're left with 96 divided by 4, which is 24, equals n minus 1. Now to finally solve for n, we want to add 1 to both sides, and we're left with 25 equals n. So now that we know what n equals, we can solve for S of n in our first formula. So filling in what we know, we're solving for S of n, which we know to be S of 25. All of that equals n over 2, which is 25 over 2, multiplied by a1, 3, plus an, which is 99. Now according to BEDMAS, we want to do our brackets first. So S of 25 equals 25 over 2, multiplied by 3 plus 99, which is 102. Next, we want to do 25 divided by 2, which gives us 12.5, all multiplied by 102. Now we're just left with 12.5 times 102 to give us our sum of the first 25 terms to be 1,275. So the sum of the arithmetic series is 1,275.